In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy the S&P 500 on Webull. Since the S&P 500 is an index made up of 500 companies rather than a single stock, you can't buy the index directly, but you can buy an ETF that tracks it. And Webull gives you several solid options for that. Let's dive right in. Here are the main tickers worth knowing. SPY is the original and most heavily traded S&P 500 ETF, launched all the way back in 1993. It's the go-to for active traders, especially if you're ever interested in trading options against the index, since it has by far the deepest options market of the bunch. The trade-off is a higher expense ratio compared to the alternatives. VU and IV, run by Vanguard and BlackRock respectively, both charge a much lower 0.03% expense ratio and are functionally near identical to one another, making them genuinely popular picks for long-term, buy and hold investing. And SPIM, formerly known as SPLUG, is the cheapest of the bunch at a 0.02% expense ratio, with a lower share price that makes it especially approachable if you're investing smaller amounts on a regular basis. Worth knowing on that expense ratio difference, it sounds tiny day to day, but it compounds over years. On $100,000 invested, SPY's fee runs around $94.50 a year, compared to roughly $30 for VU or IV. And that gap only grows the longer you hold and the more you invest. To actually buy one, search for the ticker in Webull's search bar, whichever fits what you're going for, and land on its detail page. Tap trade, then buy. Choose your order type. A market order buys immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay instead. Enter how many shares you want, or if you'd rather invest a specific dollar amount instead of a whole number of shares. Fractional investing lets you do that too, which is especially handy for something like SPY that trades at a meaningfully higher price per share. Review your order details and confirm. Worth knowing, SPY specifically tends to trade at roughly a tenth of the actual S&P 500 index level, so if the index is sitting around 6,000, SPY itself will generally be trading somewhere around $600. One more thing worth setting up if long-term investing is the goal, Webull supports recurring, automatic investments, so rather than trying to time single lump purchases, you can set a fixed amount to invest on a regular schedule instead, a well-established way to stay consistent without trying to guess the market's next move. And that covers it. Pick the ticker that fits your goals, whether that's SPY, VU, IV, or SPIM. Search it and buy it just like any other stock. Thanks for watching and happy investing.